Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making two DIYs. We are making a reindeer wreath and a fox fur Christmas ornament. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. Project number 1, the materials you will need is a sponge foam paint brush, a reindeer, and top-notch white matte paint. Once the reindeer has been painted, you will let it dry for about 1 to 2 hours. Now we will be using crystal beads from Hobby Lobby to decorate the outside of the angel. For project number 2, the materials you will need: scissors, a half a yard of fox fur, a round plate, an ornament, and a brooch. Once you cut the 4 corners of the material, you apply glue gun or an adhesive to the ornament so that the material would adhere to the ornament perfectly. And you will continue to use the glue gun and press down on the ornament to make sure that the material is laid properly on the ornament. And then you will cut and trim all of the material from the ornament. And it's not a right or wrong. It will just fall in place as you're cutting it and shaping it. This does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.